Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to save your favorite hotels for later on the Cheap Hotels application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. And then you should select the location by tapping on the city name at the top of the screen, and here you can select from the nearest hotels, or you can also check or search for one by typing in the city name to this bar at the top of the screen. After that you should add the check-in and check-out date, then the number of adults, click on find hotels, and as you can see it's being loaded, so it might take a few seconds, but after that you will be able to narrow down your search by applying filters. Tap on the relevant one, and if you would like to save it for later and add it to your favorites, just tap on this heart icon in the upper right corner of the screen, then go back to your home page and click on the My Hotels button at the top of the screen, and here you can see the items added to this section. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.